Todd Schrader. I'm with Komatsu America. I'm chairman and CEO. The top of mind on what our board members are is the vaccine mandate and how that's going to impact our business. And that ties directly into workforce and available workforce and supply chain issues. We're really the top of mind and top of concern for our board members. But then we moved on to kind of thinking, ahead and how to adoption of technology to improve the efficiency of our customers' job sites, the impact of the infrastructure bill and how that will have a positive impact on our businesses and our customers, but also kind of how is that going to accentuate maybe some of the current issues that exist in the marketplace. And so, and then the last piece was really looking forward is sustainability and how we as member companies can support that, and what do we have to do to make sure that what we do is done in a sustainable way for our companies, the communities that we work in, and also the countries that we work in.